Hello and welcome. Friends, Sonpar USA is made up of the finest locally managed electrical and industrial distributors. Sonpar USA is part of Sonpar Group, a global leader in electrical material distribution. Entering the US in 1998, Sonpar USA has seen dramatic growth over the years due to strategic acquisitions and organic growth. Today, Sonpar USA has 16 companies operating throughout the United States. Sonpar in 10 key points: a permanent nucleus of family shareholders, core business, technical wholesaling, steady, strong growth, international expansion, targeted acquisitions, dense local networks, dedicated people, a professional to professional network, technical and logistics expertise, a culture designed to serve its partners.
When I started, it was a $973 million company to now a $3 billion company and growing.
What counts as what lasts within Sonepar and Capital is its people. That is what's going to maintain us for the future.
You break it all down. When it's all said and done, it's the inside sales folks taking the order after the outside sales group has generated the interest. It's our pickers and packers and truckers delivering the product properly, and a lot of people in between. But when it's all said and done, the hustle and bustle is the people.
If you treat people with respect, they're going to go above and beyond for you. I mean, that's key.
Sonpar USA continues its growth in the key markets our customers expect. From Maine to Miami, Providence to Portland, Sonpar USA is the fastest growing distributorship in the USA. Not a chain, but a network of distributors delivers the finest service and highest quality electrical products available. A flexibly structured family-owned group, a flexible organization, family-owned private shareholder base, an experienced board, strict observance of corporate governance principles, general management sustainability is a commitment to conserve natural resources and improve the quality of life for today and for future generations. At Sonpar USA, we follow the triple bottom line approach: social, environment and economic, embedding sustainability into our culture and our daily work lives. We focus not only on the positive economic add, but on the environmental and social contributions to our planet as well. We call our sustainability platform Blue Way. Through Blue Way, we strive to be pioneers in bringing new energy efficient products to market and partner with our suppliers to deliver innovative sustainable solutions to our customers. Cruising the moonlit waters of San Francisco Bay aboard the yacht San Francisco Spirit, two cigar rollers busy at their craft roll premium tobacco leaf from around the world for guests. On the yacht's top deck, captains of the electrical business savor a good smoke after dinner at Sonpar's $1 billion bash, a coming out party held during this year's National Association of Electrical Distributors NAED annual conference for the company that reached $1 billion in sales, faster than any distributor in the electrical industry's history. When it was time for Richard Worthy, Sonpar USA's president and CEO, to say a few words after dinner, one would have forgiven him if he soaked up a few moments in the industry spotlight. But that's not Worthy's style. More than anything, he seemed humbled and perhaps a bit awed by the moment and just how far Sonpar USA had come in the 6 years under his leadership, growing to nearly $1.5 billion in sales, 217 locations and 3,700 employees. Sonepar USA has used acquisitions as the base, its 217 branch network throughout the United States. These are the company's key purchases over the past 6 years. 2003, Leviton Robbins, Woodside, San Juan, Puerto Rico. 2002, From Electric of Piscataway, Lakeshore Lighting. 2001, Daniels Electric Supply, Yorktown. 2000, Viking Electric Supply, Minneapolis Capital Lighting Supply. 1999, Cooper Electric Supply, Tinton Falls, New Jersey. Marley Company, branches in New England. 1998, Eagle Electric, Canton. Thank you and have a good day.